Yo, what's up, guys? So we are live again this morning. So this is the third week here. This is the third week here. This third week of January. So this is the first week. So this is the first week of January here. Second, third week. Sorry, I'm looking at another thing that's why I'm distracted. So basically, let's get started. Let me start by sharing the link to the live stream to the community, so everybody can join in as soon as possible. So we can all make money together, yeah? So I'll share it to my Telegram channel. So I'm quickly sharing the link so everybody can join in. Then we can begin. Today doesn't look too bad. Although I guess I still have to check the news. Still have to check the news events for this week. Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning. Can get your good morning message. Oh, that's crazy. How did that happen? So just give me a sec. I want to check something. I have an open position on Bybit here. Bybit. I wish I could share my Bybit screen. Okay. That one just hit stop loss Bybit. Just the test position. So what are we looking out for? What are we looking out for on gold today? Community are about to join, so don't mind me for the delay. Okay, so what are we looking out for gold today? Yeah, let's just go for the weekly time frame first do our top down analysis. So we obviously have to do the top down analysis first. So this is the weekly time frame. Remember last week I called the weekly high. So this week again, I'm still feeling like we could still go and take out this high based on the fact that there's another high on the left. So that's forming relatively equal highs. And relatively equal highs are good targets a good target for liquidity. So that could be a good area for liquidity. So go down to the daily time frame. Having that weekly liquidity targets in mind. But before I proceed, I think I'll have to check if there's any news today. So sorry you can't see my screen for the news tab, but let me just I think let me share it so you guys can see. It's not fair if you can't see it. So this will be better. So so here is the where I check for news. What Today is bank holiday all day. Wow, I think it's because of Trump's inauguration. So I'm not even supposed to be trading today. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. I don't think we'll be able to see a good setup today, considering the fact it's bank holiday. Usually, bank holidays are not good days to be trading. Wow, I did not expect this at all. Let me share. Today is Trump's inauguration. So, um, today is Trump's inauguration, the president. So, I guess that's why. Let me check this other website and see if it's still the same. If it's still the same stuff. If it's still okay, inauguration is this one is showing you high impact news in 7 hours. The other site is showing me bank holiday all day. Let me filter this one. Okay, no impact. Let me put no impact and see. Then I'll filter it here. Where's the apply button? How can I apply the changes? That's one people. Okay, here it is. So apply. So Monday, Martin Luther King Day. Inauguration service high impact. So I believe today is safe to trade. Forex, that's why you should not depend on just one news platform. This one is showing me no. If I just looked at this, I would have not have been interested in trading today. Description: US banks will be closed in observation to Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Low liquidity and irregular volatility. Most forex brokers remain open for every holiday except Christmas, New Year's. The stock market and banks have slightly different holiday schedule. Why traders care? Banks facilitate a measure of foreign exchange volume. When they are closed, the market is less liquidity and speculators become more dominant and market influence. This can lead to both abnormal or low and abnormal volatility. Okay, I want to check something on Friday. Since there's the news coming by 6 p.m. I think it's still safe to trade today. So let's just continue. It can't be that bad. Highest it's a stop loss. So we have this fair value gap here. We have this daily fair value gap that we are rejecting. There's a possibility we might come back into this daily fair value gap. We might come into the fair value gap. There's a possibility, or we might just reject it. So go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, we can see there's a 4-hour order block here, and that order block is already being rejected. So, but let me measure the order block. Let's see if I've closed above 50%. Not yet. So the order block is not invalidated yet. So for now, that order block is still kind of valid. Down to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour time frame, this order block is now acting as a fair value gap. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see that there's a fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap here on the 1 hour time frame. So that could be rejected as well. Majority on the 1 hour time frame, it looks like we're in a downtrend. So we go to the 15 minutes, which is like our golden time frame. Then I turn on my indicator for sessions. Then this is my high. If price breaks this high, I'll be looking for a buy. I would really like to see it break the high because it's going to also be breaking this trend line as well. So although I don't really just trend with trend lines, but having that happen is going to be very significant, and it's going to signify that we're actually bullish because of the fact that we would no longer be this fair value gap here will be invalidated. That's one. Another reason is that this order block here will also be invalidated. So two things that are supposed to reject price down will be invalidated if there is a bullish bullish momentum here, if there's a bullish momentum like this to take out this high. So a lot of things will be invalidated, telling us that there's a change of order flow, telling us there's a change of order flow in the market. So it would look something like this, then a retracement. They will aim for this weekly liquidity. This we marked it on the weekly time frame. So aim for that and maybe even beyond. So that will be for the buy. For the sell, it's kind of tricky. I'm looking forward to it just taking. My course rep is calling me. What's up? I'm supposed to be in class now, so I'm even at my home. Let me pick his call ASAP. Okay, let's continue. It's nothing important as much. So let me just quickly do something. I'm supposed to send him a wallet address. to purchase a coin. So just give me a sec while I do that, while you're monitoring Go Chat for me. So at this point now, I believe if you have been watching the live stream for a while, you would possibly have an idea of how the cell setup will look like, because we usually have two scenarios: a sell and a buy scenario. So based on this now, what do you think? What do you think the sell scenario is going to look like? Because this is how the buy is going to look like. We're going to aim that high, 2 to 1 risk reward ratio, clean, just like that. So that's how it's going to look like. Let me quickly send this. Okay. So if you are done looking at the charts, you should have an idea. Okay, we have a few comments. You see, I saw you the trial, no the class. So basically, the sell scenario, is going to be very simple. You see how I'm relaxed trading gold, because gold is just kind of super easy these days. I just have to wait for simple confirmations. So there's two lows here. There's this low and there's that other low that formed. And this low is, I think this is the low we should be using. You understand? Because it's on the other side. That's the low I should be using. So that's the low I should be using. That low formed around 5:30 a.m. So that low formed around 5:30 a.m. As long as the low is outside 9 o'clock, we're safe to use it. So I'll just look for a price takeout. I'll just look for price to take out that low. Some you should just take out the low, maybe even close below some fair value gap like this one. Yeah, if you can close below this gap, that would be beautiful. Look for a retracement, then we aim what liquidity, and I think we marked out something here on the higher time frame fair value gap. So this will also be a very juicy target, like the middle of that fair value gap. So this would be our sell scenario, and we'll be looking for a 2 to 1 risk reward ratio, nothing crazy, just like we do always. As you can see here, we got this win. If you check again, we also did it here. This one was a loss. I've done it several times back to back, so there's nothing you should be afraid of. And this is how I usually put down the analysis. Everybody sees on the Telegram. You see that there's a buy, there's a sell. Anyone that plays out, we are fine. We just have to patiently wait for our confirmation. This strategy can make you a lot of money if you're patient and you use it well, even just joining the live stream. So for now, all this is just free. You can get to points where it's not no longer going to be free. For now, I'm just enjoying doing it and giving out the entries for free. So this is our outlook for today. I'm going to screenshot this and post it on on my Telegram channel. If you have not joined, make sure you join. So I'm gonna just post it. XAUUSD outlook for today. Today, 20th January 2025. Stay active, then a chat emoji. So I've sent it to my Telegram. There, all the updates on the trade will be I just love how simple analysis is. Very, very, very simple. Very simple. Very, very simple. So just stay active. With this now, as you can see, I just analyzed. Think how long have I been on this live stream? I've been on here for about 20 minutes. So not even up to 30 minutes. And this is because I'm even explaining to you guys. If I'm on my own, I can definitely analyze my charts within 10 minutes, 5 minutes. All I just need to do is to wait for a setup. So the thing that people complain that how do you have time to trade, do other things? I can't just decide to be a full-time trader and just analyze my chart for 10 minutes in a day, make my money, and that's all. Life is not going to be fun that way. So that's why I do other things. Explore the crypto market, explore Web3, explore I'm a programmer, I build websites. That's fun. Coding is very fun and exciting because it will challenge your brain and mind. So I write code, all this stuff. There's enough time for that because if you have your strategy in place that makes you money, you can just analyze 20 minutes, 10 minutes, you are done. 10 minutes, you are done. 10 minutes, you are done. So let me post this again. Okay, so what are we going to do now since we're done analyzing? Let me check comment section. Boss, good morning, active means. Boss, us being active means we'll be on YouTube till 2 p.m. No, 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 no. We're not going to be on YouTube till 2 p.m. We can even end now itself, but we just want to have some fun. The remaining updates are going to be dropped in the Telegram channel. So nothing like being online till 2 p.m. Usually what I do now, like this, after analyzing, I'm not going to just sit here like this. I'll be waiting until the one of the confirmations are met. I'm going to simply right click or click this arrow here and set an alert. With this alert now, oh God, alert maintenance. We are doing some brief maintenance on alerts. Alerts will be really back soon. We'll be back soon. So if the alert now, I think TradingView is doing some maintenance on alert. So if they were not doing any maintenance, I would just click alert here. I'll add it. So if price cross that line, I will get notified on my phone, on my laptop, anywhere TradingView is logged in. I'll get the beep 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 beep. So I'll just come and check my chart. I'll see that okay, I have to look for my entry now. So same thing, I'll set the alert down here. Set the alert. So basically that's just how I go about it. So you don't necessarily have to stay on the chart till 2 p.m. or whatever time. I can go and start writing code now. I can go and start maybe from school studying or learning some other skill, doing something useful with your life. Yeah, definitely. I'm going to update, and the updates will be dropped on my Telegram channel. If you check the link, the description in this video, There's a link to join the Telegram. Yeah, you can set the same alarm. There's a link to join the Telegram channel, and there's a link to join the Telegram channel in the description box, so you check it out. Also, what I'm trading here is a Propfirm account. So it's a Propfirm account. So basically, it allows me to trade larger capital, get larger payouts instead of trading small money. So get your own Propfirm account too. And I advise you get Willis capital, and you can get it for a discount if you use my affiliate code AARONTECHFX. It's in the description. The link is in the description. So make sure you check it out and get your account as well. No time to dey waste trading your small account. But if you have $10, that's your last card. You can trade it up until you can buy an account for like 35 with $30 on Willis Capital. That's like $3,000 you have access to is trading. So that's a better way to go about trading. That's the best way now if you want to go about trading. That's the best way. So question again, do you code Python? Yes, I do code Python. I do. Another question, can $8 trade with one position on derivative? Yeah, sure. Derivative even allows you to trade even lower than $8. Derivative even allows you to trade lower than $8. I don't know how the leverage is on that platform, but it's crazy. It's super crazy. So okay, that's great. That's great. That's great. I was also looking at let me save this real quick. I was also looking at Solana this morning. I saw like something, yeah, this clean entry on Solana. Today's Trump inauguration. So I was also looking at this Trump USDT on Bybit. Yeah, I was looking at it. So now the coin is even going down. Okay, it has increased a bit. So once it's the inauguration, I believe it's going to pump a bit again. It's likely to pump. I don't know. I can't be really certain. Sha. Even his wife's token, Melania. Okay, that one hasn't started showing. That one hasn't started showing yet. Yeah, Sha, crypto is a crazy place. Let me go back to gold. So I'm just waiting for that to play out. Okay, I remember last time we added someone to the live stream. So thank you for reminding me. Let's do that quickly. So if you want to be my guest on this live stream, you want to be here like with me, maybe if you want to say anything, I've dropped the link now. Tap the link and you'll be able to come as a guest on the live stream. So we have a lot of people here. So at least one person should try to join today. So that's the link. That's the link. You can use it to be a guest on the live stream. So that's the game. I'm waiting. So I'm going to wait for maybe 10 minutes for you to join. So maybe we can talk. People get to see you as well. And yeah. So let's see if anybody is going to join. If you are going to join, you can let me know. Can say just say you are joining in the comment section, so at least you know that maybe you are planning to join in. So the last time we had David here, yeah, I think we had David here. Okay, I'm still waiting. Nobody yet. I don't think anybody wants to join the live stream this morning. So that's the guest link is still there in the comment section. It's my comment. So if you click on the link, you'll be able to join as a guest. What time frame are you on? I'm on 15 minutes time frame. It's on the watermark. If you look behind the chart here, you see. Let me draw this away. You can see XAUUSD, comma 15, gold spots USD. So it's 15 minutes. If I change the time frame, it's also going to change the watermark. See, it's changed to 30. If I put it on 1 hour, it's going to change to 1H. So the time frame is behind. It's on the watermark. That's why I left it there. So you'll be able to see the instrument I'm trading, and you also be able to see. I also be able to see the time frame. So that's basically our outlook for today. We're still waiting for it to play out. Okay, I've already done the top down analysis here. So usually you can rewind the video. You can just rewind the video to the points where I did the top down analysis. Understand? So some trends you can rewind it. It's not it will allow you to rewind it because the top down analysis was quite long today. That's why you see there's this blue line, there's this blue box again, there's this trend line. So everything was from the top down analysis. You just rewind to like 10 minutes ago, then you'll be able to see all that. Yeah, so it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, somebody's about to join. Awesome. Okay, so we have Awesome on the live stream. So you can turn on your camera on. I think that would be much better. And your mic again. And your mic as well. Your mic is on mute. So I'm waiting for you to unmute your mic and also turn on your camera. You're not saying anything. I think I'll be bringing guests on my own. Maybe I'll just invite somebody personally, so you can share his own chat and I share my own chat. I think that will be much better instead of randomly. So okay, I will do that. But since we're still waiting for the breakout to play out, maybe you can answer my question as I asked before. Okay, but it's not going to be as detailed. This is the weekly time frame. I've already drawn out everything, so we marked out this liquidity as targets on the weekly time frame. Then we went down to the daily time frame. Then we marked out this fair value gap and this order block that price is rejecting off here. So this is a good point of liquidity targets for take profits because it's relatively equal highs on the daily and weekly time frame. This is a fair value gap that has just been tapped. So we expect price to reject it, or there's a possibility it might come in and fill it. So we also went down to the 4 hour time frame. Then it looks bullish on the 4 hour time frame. Like from this perspective here, it looks bullish. So but when we went down to the 1 hour time frame, there's this trend line that it looks bearish. So we're waiting for a break to know if it's gonna be bearish or mainly bullish. So that's what we're waiting for on the 15 minutes time frame. So that's what we're waiting for on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, awesome has joined, but he's not saying anything and his mic is on mute. Okay, a bit. So I'm trying to buy some USDT. Okay, someone wants to sell some USDT to me. That's what I'm doing on my phone now. While I'm waiting for this trade to play out. Okay. So basically all the okay, we have some okay, also joined again with another device. So I don't know, maybe can you share your screen on this one and also turn on your mic? Also you joined again, but your mic and camera are off. I don't know what's the problem. So another question: I saw your previous live stream on XAUUSD. I discovered you are using 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes time frame compared to DAPO 4 hours daily and monthly time frame. So what is your reason or motivation for using 3 minutes, 15 minutes, 4 hour? I thought I saw. Yeah, you're right. I do. I actually use weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and all that during the top down analysis. But I think for like the major entries and all that, you are right about the 3 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. Yeah, that's because that's what works for me. That's what has been working for us like back to back. Okay, that's what has been working for us back to back. And again, Dapo Willis, if you are entering on, and I don't know why you're comparing me to Dapo Willis, yeah, his strategy, because we don't trade the same way. Every trader is allowed to trade in his own style, in his own style you grab. So you can decide to trade anyhow you want to trade as long as the trading makes you money. So if I decide to start entering on my, I can trade the same way and enter on the 4 hour daily or monthly time frame. But if I start decide to start doing that, if I decide to start doing that, I'm going to have to be waiting longer for my setup to play out. Because let's say I enter on the 4 hour time frame, before one candle prints and all that, it's going to take 4 hours. Before 5, 10 candles print, it's going to take like 40 hours. That should be like 2 days and something. You are almost 2 days waiting for one trade to play out. The same amount of money I can make in 3 hours or 4 hours of waiting 4 days or 3 days. So it doesn't make sense to me now because I have the time. Yeah, I have the time to come and analyze every single day. But let's say I get to a point where their family, I have a lot of things doing. I need to be with my kids and things like that. Then I can decide to start trading the 4 hour, the daily, the monthly. That's because I would just have to come and analyze maybe once a week, take a trade. It will be running in profits throughout the week. Then I will not have to worry about anything. So that's just it. That's one of the reasons why I stick to the lower time frame, and every I advise everybody learning right now, if you are still coming up, you should stick to the lower time frame because you get active feedback. Let's say you take a trade, if you want to lose, you lose within 1 hour, you lose within 2 hours. You know that okay, I was wrong here. Instead of lose waiting 2 days before you take a losing trade. So before you can take 5 losing trades, it can take you like 2 weeks, 3 weeks to just take 5 trades that you can learn from in 2 days. So you with lower time frame you can fail quickly and learn quickly. Higher time frame it take longer time for you to fail, longer time for you to learn. Your learning process will be very long. So that's why I don't advise higher time frame trading for new traders. All those swing trading, I don't advise it right now because you not learn fast. You're not gonna learn fast that way. It's better you get your feedback actively. Not like you're scalping them, but I trade once a day, sometimes 4 times in a week, 5 times in a week. Compared to people that trade like some people even trade like 5 times in a day. So that's why I use the time frame, and one of the main reasons is that my strategy is built to work on those time frame, and it works. So since it works, there's no need of changing it. Okay. It says working now. So since it's working now, you just have to unmute your mic and unmute your camera and display your camera here. Yeah, so you're welcome. Okay, cool,
Thank you,
cool.
God.
Yeah, so how far are you doing?
I'm okay. I'm doing good. Thank you. Are
Oh,
you?
that's great. Good, good, good. So what
Sorry,
are
I
you
missed
trading this morning?
the previous. I missed the prayer, like the earlier part of the stream. I was having
Okay,
network problem. Just
okay,
connect.
okay.
I think we'll be expecting something like a sell on good throughout the whole
Okay,
week because of the news and the events and all those stuff.
okay. Because of Trump, right?
Yes.
That it makes sense, sha. It makes
Yeah,
sense. There's this
and
guy
I'm
that
not
I
even with
know.
my
He trades
laptop
only
right
for.
now.
Okay, I noticed. There's this guy I know. He trades only fundamental news. So I will also be asking you, getting some insights on that. Yeah,
Okay.
throughout the whole week. Let me look at the higher time frame. Yeah, it looks bearish a bit. You might come fall into all these areas and other. To not be bad. Anyhow, sure. We're going to be for it.
And secondly, I'll be trying to work on something lately, which is that Judas rig, right? I think it's
Yeah,
Judas
yeah,
rig now. I think
yeah,
the
yeah.
thing is kind of working somehow, like all this
Okay,
weekly higher and higher low, but on weekly base, not daily. Whereby on Monday you see one direction of the market, and the rest of the week you see the opposite direction.
okay, okay. That's
For
what has
the
been
for
working.
yeah, for over about few weeks now.
Yeah, yeah. That's nice. On what pair? On what pair?
It's still good.
Okay, okay, okay.
On Monday you
Like today,
see a
like
big,
today morning.
maybe a sell, then
Okay,
the rest of the week you see the opposite direction.
okay. But it's not. It has not been working like on daily basis.
Not fully on daily. No, not on daily basis. It's weekly.
Like today now, like this today's on now, it might just if it's going to be like Judas swing if this low here ends up being the low of the day because the low today went down, then it might start going up. So if it goes up, it will be like Judas swing for today.
Yes.
Basically, I feel like it's just if you notice that it works on that weekly basis, things that now you have to look for how you can frame your entries on that, how you can frame your entry and make sure it works at least 50% of the time. So you can do your back testing, can check out up to like 2 months, 3 months in the past. Like what I usually do, I'll just put my replay, I'll just select the dates. Maybe I'll go back to like October, then select it and replay and like back test from October and make sure that okay, while I'm backtesting, I'll put a like a sheet of paper or even any writing just to separate out okay, this is the win, this is the loss, and calculate how to at least get up to 20 trades using that same exact idea and see how many wins and how many losses is going to come out from there. With that alone, it's going to give you confidence to continue using it and you'll be making money from it.
But the problem is I still don't know how to get that dollar card, so I can subscribe for the free trial of the uh, trading view, that subscription. I saw something like 30 days trial. Why I need to put in card, like I need to input card before I can get it.
Okay, just send me a message. Yeah, I'll do it for you.
All
Let's
right,
see
thank you.
how we can do it. So
All
just send
right,
me a
thank you.
message on WhatsApp.
All right,
So at least you can get that sorted. So if that's what you want to use, that's really fine. As for me, for
all
now,
right.
I'm just using this gold strategy. Even in the afternoon one, I'm not even interested in taking trades in the afternoon again. So with this, I
You
feel like it's
you
enough
mean
because
the 330?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't want to be using it that much again. I don't want to use just one because I noticed if you check out the past data, check out the past trade, you can see that it has been winning. Last weekend, I did some analysis on using the two strategies together. It was profitable, but it was not as profitable as using just one. So it was still profitable, not as profitable as using just one. So that was because I checked up to like 20 trades using the two, 20 trades using just one, and 20 trades using the other one. So I found out that using the morning one is the most profitable one. So that's the one I'm going to stick with. So that's with one thing that is to save people. It's just back test that is one of the best thing. If you can check out 20 trades and with that data you have enough confidence using one thing and that one thing making money for you. So that's just how I see it basically. That's how it should be done, this event. So I've not done a proper course on how to use this London session strategy on Gold. It's usually just the live stream that I believe people are understanding. But I want to think today I should have some time today, then record a proper course like lecture on how to use this London session strategy on Gold. So I just want to do that. So anybody that is interested in using it, you can just focus solely on it. If you can focus only on itself, it's going to make you still going to make you money.
All right, thanks for that.
Yes. So we're already here for like 50 minutes. I think it should be time for me to rest now. This it hasn't broken yet. So I'll just be checking once in a while, then update everybody on the Telegram. So thanks for joining. Yeah. So
All right,
everybody
bro.
has yeah. So everybody, thanks for joining again. I'll update everybody on the Telegram channel. So I'll see you guys. Yeah, peace.